Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, subscribe, give me that like, share. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to open a YouTube channel. The most question I get everywhere I go from my friends, from people who would like to open a YouTube channel, and I'm here to show you the easiest steps to open a YouTube channel. Yes, so let's get started. So setting up your YouTube channel is a very simple and quick process. Yes, and we're gonna do it together. You don't have to be like, oh, I don't know how to start a YouTube channel. How do I go about it? I'm gonna show you the basics first, and then I'm gonna take you through the process itself. Okay, let's start with the basics. So number one, you should have a Google account. That is a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, go and create one. So once you've created a Gmail account, go to youtube.com. Yes, that's simple, so easy. So what you do, go to youtube.com, and then on the top right corner you'll see sign in. So sign in with the Gmail account that you want to be associated with your YouTube channel. So sign in, and then now we'll go to the Google settings. On the settings, you will see you have an option of either creating a personal account or a business account. So you can choose that. So depending on the account you want, you'll customize it. So you're able to create your profile photo. It's also simple. You're gonna upload it, and then the best part, you're gonna create your channel name. So any name that you want to be associated with your YouTube channel, this is a place. And then after that, you create your channel. Your channel is up and running. So simple. These are the basic steps. And then let's go to the next. Next is you fill your about section. This is where your brand comes in. So how you want to portray your brand is here. How you want the audience to see you, this is your about section. So you have all that description. So you better fill in this description describing yourself so that people can get to know you and know what your channel is about. So put your best foot forward when you're filling this section, because it will appear multiple places in your channel. Yes. So number 3, channel your art. So immediately you go to your YouTube channel, you're immediately greeted with a large banner. This is where your cover photo comes in. Your brand name, your YouTube name, this is where it comes in. So your cover photo should introduce your brand. So number 4, the most important one, content. You should know your market, number 1. So when you go out there, you know what you're going to tell your audience, and you have more content with you. So I would advise you watch about so many videos on how to become a YouTuber. They're gonna help you in coming up with different content, but I'm gonna give you examples of what you can start on your first YouTube video, or your own content you can use for your YouTube channel. Point number 6 is upload your first YouTube video. So I would think at this point you will research on your content a lot about it, and you have done the shooting, the editing. So this step is you just upload your first video. Yes, go ahead and do it. So number 8, stay consistent. Creating a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't create one video and then neglect it. These subscribers that have subscribed to your channel expect you to be consistent. That's why they subscribe to your channel. So make sure you have content when you create your YouTube channel, so that you keep being consistent every single time you have a video coming up, and don't neglect uploading your videos. So my final point is get social and engage with your community. Go out there and promote your channel. Tell people about what you're doing. Be bold about it. Own your channel. That's how you grow. And then your community, always comment back when they comment. Even when they give you a like, mention them. This is a community you're growing. So you're the one to give them what they want. So if you don't engage them, they will not tell you what they want. like this channel, this episode they requested, so that's why I'm giving what they want. So always be out there, always comment, always listen to your audience, and share, and always engage your community, and your YouTube channel will be a success. Yes. So I have a gift for you, or I have something for you, the first YouTubers that you want to start a YouTube channel. I have a few ideas that I would love to give you, and you can start your YouTube channel. This is the time to start your YouTube channel. Some of the examples, some of the easy fast videos you can do is vlogs. They're so easy to do because it involves your lifestyle, so you can start with that. If you don't want to do a vlog, you can have a video on review. You can review something. You can do a video on your favorite songs. You can also do a challenge video. You can also do a video to introduce yourself. Yes, that's a fast video you can do. You can also do an opinion video. There's so many things to do on your YouTube channel, but you can go and Google them, things to start on my YouTube channel. You're gonna see so many examples that you can use to start your YouTube channel, and you'll be on your way. Yes, I know some people are there like always procrastinating. Oh, I'm gonna start a YouTube channel this year, next month. So don't procrastinate. This is the time to do it. Be patient, be passionate, and it's gonna reward you big. And why should you start a YouTube channel? Maybe you ask yourself. Number one, it's a way to network with other people. It's a way to promote your brand for a business. So I would tell you, get out of your comfort zone and create a YouTube channel. It's a very awesome creative outlet for you, and you will enjoy it. Yes, this is why it's not too late for you to start a YouTube channel. When you have good content that stand out on YouTube, you're gonna do so well, and you're gonna dominate those keywords. When I was starting up, I had a few more ideas that you can love. Is gaming does well, cooking and food reviews also do well, traveling also do well. You can do that if you love that. Technology and gadgets always do well. There's so many ideas you can do to create your YouTube channel. So create a YouTube channel on health and fitness tips. So I'll give you the recipe for YouTube success, and I always say it's substance and style. You know, the audience is eating up all your content through their eyes, so you need to serve up a dish that is like stylish, something they will look in the eyes and like. So always do that, and it also takes a lot of effort. It's always a learning experience, so be ready to learn. I'm also still learning. I'm also new to YouTube, but in the process of learning, that's how you grow and you become successful. So what should be your motivation in starting a YouTube channel? I always say your motivation is, it takes a lot of effort. There's a lot to learn, there's a lot to practice, and there's a lot to keep in mind. So there's always room for improvement for us. So start that YouTube channel and you're gonna be a success. So I hope you've learned a lot from me. I'm gonna give you another video on my next episode on how I grew my subscribers from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. So be on the lookout for that one. I'm gonna take you through this journey as I do my cooking videos. So I hope you will get a lot, and you'll start a YouTube channel and you tell me, oh Cara, I started my YouTube channel and I got 1,000 subscribers. So yes, let's get more. So let me tell you one thing, it's never too late to do anything when it comes to social media, especially YouTube channel, because it's a platform that will continue to grow. So now is the right time to start for you. It's definitely worth it, so don't think twice, just go for it. That being said, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe, give me that like, share this video, and I really appreciate it. So that's it from me. Bye bye. That being said, that's it from me. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me that like, share, comment. I always like your feedback and I appreciate that. So that's it from me. Bye bye.